Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Voice of the Apple. In this episode, I am going to demonstrate how to compose a new email inside the mail application on Mac with VoiceOver. Without further delay, let's get started. Let's go to the desktop with Vivo Shift D.
Desktop.
Command spacebar to activate the spotlight.
Spotlight. Spotlight search window. Blank search text field.
Type mail
L. Mail.
and then hit the return key.
Finder. Mail. Inbox 166 messages window. Messages. Row 5 of 163. Axis Bank alerts.
Now the mail application has been launched. Press and hold the command key and then hit the letter N as in November to compose a new email.
New message window. 2.
The keyboard focus is on the to address field. I can type the email address of the recipient in this text field. If I don't remember the email address and if the email address is saved in the contacts, then I can use add contact button to add the email address from the contacts. Vivo right arrow.
2. Add contacts.
Vivo space on this add contacts button.
Blank in popover. 3 items, blank, search text field.
This opens the contacts list inside the contacts application on Mac. Vivo right arrow.
Contact list.
Interact with this contact list by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
In contact list. My card.
Vivo down arrow until we get the desired contact.
Swathy. Contact info.
Interact with this contact once again
In Swathy, contact info. Has alternate items Swathy.
and then Vivo right arrow.
Contact info.
Interact with this area with Vivo Shift down arrow.
In contact info. Row 1 of 1. Gram mail email. At gmail.com. Selected Gmail email at gmail.com.
Here it is showing the email address of the recipient. Vivo space on this email address.
Dr. VSK at gmail.com. Attached text. Content selected. CC.
Now it has taken this email address in the to field and we are ready to compose the email to that recipient. Vivo right arrow.
CC. Add contacts.
Vivo right arrow once again.
Subject.
Vivo right arrow once more.
Subject.
This is the subject text field where we have to type a subject.
Cap. I. Hi.
Vivo right arrow once again.
From. Dr. VSK at gmail.com.
Vivo right arrow once more.
Message body.
This is a text field where I can type the body of the email.
Cap. H. I. Hi. Cap. A-T-I. Swath, comma. New line. Cap. R-E-G-A-R-D-S. Regards. New line.
I have finished typing the body of the email. Now I would like to attach a file to this email. Press and hold the command key, shift key, and then press the letter A as in Apple.
Column view. 1 item selected. Mac Docs.
Interact with this column browser with Vivo Shift down arrow.
In column view. Mac Docs.
I am navigating to a PDF document which I would like to attach to that email.
Computers. MS Excel PDF.
This is the PDF document which I would like to attach to that email. Hit the return key on this PDF document.
Hi Swati, find an attachment to this email. Regards, message body.
Interact with this body area with Vivo Shift down arrow.
In Hi Swati, find an attachment to this email.
Vivo right arrow a few times.
Regards, MS Excel PDF, 18.8 MB.
Command Shift D delivers this email to the recipient.
Inbox 166 messages, window, messages, row 1 of 163, Axis Bank alerts.
In this process, we can compose a new email and we can attach a file to the email inside the native mail application on Mac with VoiceOver. If you have any queries or feedbacks, feel free to write an email to my email address appleabilities@gmail.com. That's all for this episode, and I will catch you up in the next episode like this. Thank you all. Thanks for listening. And bye for now.
This is an Apple Voice presentation.